Hello everyone, welcome to TradeLine. In today's video, I am going to share with you a powerful and incredibly easy trading strategy. We will also test this strategy 100 times in a row to find out its actual win rate. The strategy that we are going to talk about today is perfect for those who are new to trading. It is also one of the simplest trading strategies that anyone can employ. Hopefully, you will be able to benefit from this strategy after watching this tutorial. Before we go any further, if you want to show us your support and help us produce a lot of new content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It's only 2 clicks, but it means a lot to us. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first thing you want to do is open the trading view and select the pair you want to trade. Choose whatever pair you want, as this strategy works well on any pair. Next, select the time frame. For this strategy, you can use any suitable time frame for you. Here I've opened a 5-minute chart of the Euro USD, but feel free to experiment with other time frames. Alright, so now let's add our first indicator to our chart. To add indicators, here we click the indicator menu at the top, and in the search menu, type our first indicator's name, which is the StochRSI, and we're going to use this one here. Click on it to add it to the chart. We will not make any changes to the settings, we will leave them as they are. If you don't know how the StochRSI indicator works, let me give you a short explanation. Like the RSI, StochRSI cycles between overbought levels above 80 and oversold levels below 20. The StochRSI reaches these levels much more frequently than the RSI, as a result of which, it provides more trading opportunities. It moves within the range of 0 to 100. A buy signal would be generated when the StochRSI falls below the oversold level 20, then moves back above it. Conversely, a sell signal would be generated when the StochRSI rises above the overbought level 80 and then crosses it to the downside. See here, the StochRSI falls below the oversold level of 20, then moves back above it, indicating a buy signal. If we had entered the trade based on this signal, we would have caught a huge market movement and made huge profits. Here, the StochRSI indicates a sell signal as it rises above the overbought level of 80 and then crosses it to the downside. If we had entered trades on this signal, we could have made a huge profit with the help of this indicator alone. Of course, one should use a longer-term trend filter to ensure that you only take trades in the direction of the trend. And in this strategy, we will use 2 exponential moving averages to ensure the direction of the trend. Alright, so go to the indicator, type EMA in the search box, and then add it to the chart. And for this EMA, we must change the settings. So go to the indicator settings and change the length from 9 to 50. We must add another EMA to our charts. So go to the indicator, again type EMA in the search box, and then add it to the chart. And for this EMA, we must also change the settings. So go to the indicator settings and change the length from 9 to 100. And in the style section, I'm going to change it to orange. You can choose any color you want. After successfully placing all of these trading indicators on your trading chart, let's see how to use them. Let's start with the rules for entering long positions. First, the 50-period moving average must be above the 100-period moving average. Moreover, both moving averages should be sloping upward. Second, the StochRSI should cross the 20 level to the upside, which is a buy signal. And finally, the price action must be closed above the 50-period moving average. All the rules are met on this candle, so this is the candle where we will enter the trade. We will open a long order at the open of the next candle. You can set the stop loss just below the recent swing low, and our take profit would be 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. Let's look at some examples to help you understand. Here, the StochRSI crossed the 20 level to the upside, indicating a buy signal, and the 50 EMA is above the 100 EMA, and the price is also closed above the 50 EMA. All the rules are met on this candle, so we will enter a long trade at the open of the next candle, and I set the stop loss just below the recent swing low, and our take profit would be 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. Here the StochRSI again crossed the 20 level to the upside, indicating a buy signal, but the 50-period EMA is still below the 100-period EMA, so this signal is not valid. Now let's understand the conditions for entering a short trade. Entering a short position is the exact opposite of entering a long position. First, the 50-period moving average must be below the 100-period moving average. Moreover, both moving averages should be sloping downward. Second, the StochRSI should cross the 80 level to the downside, indicating a sell signal. And finally, the price action must be closed below the 50-period moving average. All the rules are met on this candle. We will open a short order at the open of the next candle. You can set the stop loss just above the recent swing high, and our take profit would be 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. Here the stochastic RSI crossed the 80 level to the downside, indicating a sell signal. The 50 EMA is below the 100 EMA, and both EMAs are sloped downwards, and the price is also closed below the 50 EMA. All the rules are met on this candle, so we will enter a short trade at the open of the next candle. I set the stop loss just above the recent swing high, and our take profit would be 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. Okay, so now that you know the trading rules, let's start testing the strategy 100 times. So please watch the video until the end to see how much money we can make with this strategy. Okay, so I did 100 backtests, which took about 1 month, and the results for the strategy are really good. As you can see, the strategy had a 66% success rate, which is crazy high for a short-term trading strategy. The most wins in a row is 11, and the most losses in a row is 5. We started our account with $1,000 and risked 2% on each trade, and the total gain on the account was 130%. Which is truly impressive for a short-term trading strategy. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video then be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. I'll see you in the next video.